the most rewarding thing is when when you help somebody and when the system's tried to take advantage of them, where they've tried to treat them and like they didn't, what they'd been through didn't matter, like that they were exaggerating how this had affected them, and this tried to basically treat them like they were inconsequential. And when we fight for those people and then we get a good result, that's my favorite thing. So I'm Jesse Tanksley. I'm an attorney and a partner here. I've been a lawyer since 2009. Favorite part of being an attorney is trial work and taking cases to trial. And that's what makes me the most excited is when we have a trial frankly, closing argument. That it all builds up to a closing argument. I love talking to juries at the end of a case and delivering a closing argument. It's my single favorite thing to do as a lawyer. I was at Washburn as a criminal justice major and found out that you can't just be a criminal justice major and start working for the FBI. That one of the paths to get in was to have a law degree. So that was like, okay, well, that's what I got to do. I'll do that. So I went to KU, and that was the initial goal. I mean, all the way up until probably my third year. That was the goal, was to apply and try and get in the FBI. Maybe there's a similarity in the what draws you to both things is wanting to problem solve and get to the bottom of things. So that's something that I've always enjoyed, is when we have a problem, or for our clients got a problem that we need to get to best solution, trying to find the way to get them the best outcome. When you're coming in and you're looking for an attorney, it's got to be overwhelming. I would imagine that it's just there's so many options, there's so many considerations. I think it's really important that you have somebody that's willing to take the fight as far as it needs to go. To get the best outcome, you have to be willing to fight. You have to be willing to not just, get a third of the way there, or half the way there, 2/3 of the way. You got to be willing to go all the way. At the end of the day, we're a service like anyone else. Of course, we make money. We have to. We're every industry. A plumber takes advantage of my misfortune. If I've got a plumbing problem, the plumber gets to take advantage of that and make profit. But they do a great service for me, so I never feel bad or regret when I hire somebody to fix something. And my mechanic, I'm always grateful, because I can't fix cars. I just don't know where to start. We're the same thing. We of course make a profit. That's our goal. We don't always. Sometimes we take cases and it doesn't work out. But our goal is to make a profit. But we only make a profit if our clients win. We win when our clients win. So I get the skepticism, and there's a lot of lawyers out there that do this, and there's maybe some tacky advertising, and there's these ideas that people have, and I totally get it. But you got to remember, we only win if our clients win. As far as what we can do, I think we can just be consistent and show people by performance that we're not just going to out here to make a quick buck, but to do a good job consistently and have a track record. And I think we do. I'd say people can talk to our former clients, take a look at our reviews, do your homework, and I think they'll see that the only way that we can prove that we mean what we say is to put it in action and then show people, and then our record will speak for itself.